In this short demo, I'll show how Hackolade Studio runs directly in your browser, using a security-first, serverless architecture. Traditionally, data modeling tools fall into two categories: either SaaS platforms, where your models are stored in the vendor's cloud, or desktop tools connected to a proprietary server, which require installation, maintenance, and infrastructure. Hackolade takes a different approach. It combines the convenience of the browser, the privacy of local execution, and the collaboration power of Git. Getting started is simple. Just open your browser and go to studio.hackolade.com. There is no installation, no setup, and no account creation. The application loads instantly, and you can start working right away. By default, it runs in the Community Edition, which provides access to the core modeling features without a license key. If you have a license key, you can unlock the full feature set at any time. Simply paste your key into the license dialog and validate it. The application immediately enables the capabilities associated with your edition. This gives you the same capabilities available in the desktop application, while continuing to run entirely in the browser. The core of this approach is security first. Unlike SaaS platforms, Hackolade does not receive, process, or store your data models. All processing happens locally inside your browser. Your models are never transmitted to Hackolade servers. They remain entirely under your control at all times. This makes Hackolade Studio a strong alternative to SaaS solutions, especially when working with sensitive data or intellectual property. Even though Hackolade Studio runs in the browser, collaboration is still straightforward. Instead of relying on a proprietary server, Hackolade uses a serverless architecture based on Git, using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Azure DevOps repos. Following our metadata as code strategy, your data models are easily integrated with your DevOps pipelines. Using our command line interface, your models are simple JSON files. You store them in your organization's Git repositories, just like source code. When a data modeler makes a change, they save the file and commit it to the repository. Other team members can pull the latest version and open it directly in Hackolade Studio desktop or browser. This provides version control, collaboration, and traceability, without introducing a central server. And importantly, this avoids the complexity of traditional enterprise tools. There is no proprietary server to install, no infrastructure to maintain, no upgrades to manage, and no backup systems to operate. Hackolade Studio remains completely serverless, while Git provides the collaboration and storage backbone. This makes Hackolade Studio a practical alternative not only to SaaS, but also to desktop tools that depend on a centralized server platform. Because the application runs in the browser, you are always using the latest version. Updates are delivered automatically. There is nothing to install and nothing to upgrade. Hackolade works across all modern browsers. This includes Chrome, Edge, Brave, Firefox, and Safari, as well as all Chromium-based browsers. Hackolade brings together three key advantages: ease of access, as you can model directly in the browser; strong security, as you keep your models fully private; powerful and flexible collaboration through Git, all without SaaS, and without a proprietary server. It's a simpler, more secure, and more flexible way to manage data models. If you'd like to try it, just open your browser and go to studio.hackolade.com and start modeling. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is always happy to help at support@hackolade.com.